Good morning, guys. How's the night? Yeah, this morning we'll be moving on where we stopped on our Yoruba studies. Ní àárọ̀ yìí, a máa tẹ̀síwájú níbi tí a ti dánu dúró lórí ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá. Ní báyìí, what we have to teach ourselves this morning is part of the body. What do I call it?
Part of the body.
What is part of the body in Yoruba language? It means àwọn ẹ̀yà ara. Kí ni mo pè é?
Àwọn ẹ̀yà ara.
Ìgbọ́.
Àwọn ẹ̀yà ara.
Part of the body. Àwọn ẹ̀yà ara. Now, let's see what we have for us here. We are going to be teaching ourselves the parts of the body. A máa láǹfààní láti kọ́ra wa ní àwọn ẹ̀yà ara. Let's start with head.
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 Orí.
Orí.
Hair.
Ear.
Hair.
Hair.
Irun.
Irun.
Hair.
Hair.
Etí.
Etí.
Nose.
Nose.
Imú.
Imú.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Ẹnu.
Ẹnu.
Eye.
Eye.
Ojú.
Ojú.
Neck.
Neck.
Ọrùn.
Ọrùn.
Shoulder.
Shoulder.
Èjìká.
Èjìká.
Hand.
Hand.
Ọwọ́.
Ọwọ́.
Fingers.
Fingers.
Ìkáwọ́.
Ìkáwọ́.
Chest.
Chest.
Àyà.
Àyà.
Stomach.
Stomach.
Ikùn.
Ikùn.
Laps.
Laps.
Itan.
Itan.
Knee.
Knee.
Orúnkún.
Orúnkún.
Leg.
Leg.
Ẹsẹ̀.
Ẹsẹ̀.
Ankle.
Ankle.
Ọrùn ẹsẹ̀.
Ọrùn ẹsẹ̀.
Ankle.
Ankle.
Ọrùn ẹsẹ̀.
Ọrùn ẹsẹ̀.
Head.
Head.
Orí.
Orí.
Touch your head. Hair.
Hair.
Irun.
Irun.
Touch your hair. Fọwọ́ kan ọrùn rẹ. Ear.
Ear.
Etí.
Etí.
Fọwọ́ kan etí ẹ. Touch your hair. Nose.
Nose.
Imú.
Imú.
Fọwọ́ kan mú rẹ. Mouth.
Mouth.
Ẹnu.
Ẹnu.
Fọwọ́ kan ẹnu rẹ. Touch your mouth. Eye.
Eye.
Ojú.
Ojú.
Fọwọ́ kan ojú rẹ. Neck.
Neck.
Ọrùn.
Ọrùn.
Fọwọ́ kan ọrùn rẹ. Touch your neck. Shoulder.
Shoulder.
Èjìká.
Èjìká.
Fọwọ́ kan èjìká rẹ. Touch your shoulder. Hand.
Hand.
Ọwọ́.
Ọwọ́.
Fọwọ́ kan ọwọ́ rẹ. Fọwọ́ kan ọwọ́, you do like this. Fingers.
Fingers.
Ìka ọwọ́.
Ìka
Let me
ọwọ́.
see your fingers. Chest.
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 Àyà.
Àyà.
Beat your chest. Stomach.
Stomach.
Ikùn.
Ikùn.
Touch your stomach. Laps.
Laps.
Itan.
Itan.
Knee.
Knee.
Orúnkún.
Orúnkún.
Touch your knee. Leg.
Legs.
Ẹsẹ̀.
Ẹsẹ̀.
Let me see your legs. Ankle.
Ankle.
Ọrùn ẹsẹ̀.
Ọrùn ẹsẹ̀.
Good day, everyone all over the world. My name is Fadile. I am the public officer of Yoruba Worldview. Like I've always said, Yoruba Worldview is an organization mainly built for everyone all over the world to learn how to read, write, and speak Yoruba language with ease. In case you want to join, you want to obtain a form, you can check us on our website www.yorubaworldview.com www.yorubaworldview.com. In case you want to call our Nigeria number, which I will be the one to pick, 090-3464-6183. The number is showing on your screen. In case you want to call from UK, Germany, Puerto Rico, or everywhere all over the world, you can call Mrs. Esther Quadri on the number showing on your screen. Thank you. You are blessed. Yoruba language is the best.